A very good morning class 5. This is your science class and we are doing chapter 5 soil. So in the previous classes we had done the explanation and some exercises of this chapter, and now today we are going to do the remaining exercises. Okay. So here on the page number 37 there is an activity given. Read the words below and circle the uses of soil. Here are some words given, we have to read it and circle the uses of soil. Okay, so first one is pottery. In pottery we use soil or not? Yes, in pottery we use soil. Okay, so circle pottery. गार्डनिंग, गार्डनिंग में हम सॉइल का यूज़ करते हैं या नहीं? येस, वी डू यूज़ द सॉइल इन गार्डनिंग, सो सर्किल गार्डनिंग ऑल्सो. कुकिंग, कुकिंग में हम सॉइल का यूज़ करते हैं? नो, it is not used in cooking. Next is bathing. In bathing also soil is not used. Next is construction. Construction में soil का use होता है? Yes, it is used in construction, so circle construction. Next is making कच्चा house. कच्चा हाउस को बनाने में सॉइल का यूज़ होता है? Yes, it is used in making कच्चा house, so circle it. Next is brick making. In brick making also soil is used. Okay. Next is farming. Yes, in farming soil is obviously used. Okay. So these are the uses of soil: pottery, gardening, construction, making kacha house, brick making and farming. Now turn the page and come to page number 39. On page number 39 is the exercise given. Write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1 is soil is the topmost layer of the earth. Yes, it is true. So write T here. Next is topsoil is the most infertile soil. It is wrong. Topsoil is the most fertile soil. So write F here. Next is the fertility of the soil is increased by soil erosion. It is wrong. So write F here. Next is wind and running water cause soil erosion. Wind and running water cause soil erosion. Yes, it is true. Next is roots of trees hold the soil together. Yes, it is also true. Number 1 is true, number 2 is false, number 3 is false, number 4 is true and number 5 is also true. Now turn the page and come to page number 42. Here is the exercise A given. Match the following. Here are some words given. We have to match these two columns. Okay. Number 1 is soil supports life on the earth. Write number 1 here. Next is weathering. Weathering is formation of soil. Match it with E and write number 2 here. Next is topsoil, most fertile layer. Match it with B and write 3 here. Next is overgrazing. Overgrazing, erosion of soil. Write number 4 here. Next is terrace farming. टेरेस फार्मिंग कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सॉइल. टेरेस फार्मिंग हमें किस में हेल्प करती है? टू कंजर्व द सॉइल. सो राइट नंबर 5 हियर. नंबर 4, 3, 1, 5 and 2. Okay. Now come to the next exercise that is given on same page. Exercise B. Read the clues and unscramble the letters given below. Number 1 is most fertile layer of soil. So unscramble these words and write the answer. Topsoil. TOPSOIL. Number 2 is indiscriminate felling of trees. When large number of trees fell off together, so it is called deforestation. So write it here. DEFORESTATION. Deforestation. Okay. Now number 3, a cause of soil erosion. A cause of soil erosion, it is overgrazing. O V ERGRAZING, overgrazing. Okay. The last one is planting trees. When we plant a large number of trees together, that is called afforestation. So write it here, afforestation. Okay. So answer 1 is most fertile layer of soil, topsoil. Indiscriminate felling of trees, deforestation. A cause of soil erosion, overgrazing. And planting trees, afforestation. Okay class. So these are the exercises which you have to fill in your book today. And do your work in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Thank you.